Learning Objective 3 from Section 6.2 is to find the correlation coefficient R using technology. In a study of feeding behavior, zoologists recorded the number of grunts of a warthog feeding by a lake in the 15-minute period following the addition of food. The data showing the number of grunts and the age of the warthog in days are listed below. Find and interpret the value of R, round to the nearest thousandth. So there's a couple different ways to do that. Let's first do it in Geogebra. So in Geogebra, you'll go into the spreadsheet and I've entered the data. So let me just move this over so you can see that these values here match the number of grunts, 95, 73, 44, etc., are in column A, and then the age, 130, 146, 160, 165, etc. Then if you click on this little histogram icon, but now select two variable regression analysis. It will give you a scatter plot of the data. So here's a scatter plot of the data. And then if you click on this summation X button, it will bring up summary statistics for this bivariate data, these two quantitative variables that we measured on these warthogs. And the correlation coefficient, the R value, is given right here, negative 0.7922. We can also do this using a tool that is in your Canvas course. So let me show you that. In the Canvas course, we have a T-test for simple linear regression sort of application that has been created by Salt Lake Community College, the math department team for introductory statistics. And in this, you can enter the data. So I have those same data values entered here, and we'll use this throughout Chapter 6. But for now, all we need is the correlation coefficient. You can see it there, negative 0.79218, which rounds to negative 0.7922, which is what Geogebra gave us. I'll show you that again, negative 0.7922. So in either case, however you decide to calculate it, we get a correlation coefficient of R equals negative 0.7922, which indicates that there is a negative relationship between the number of grunts and the age in days of the warthog. Since R is negative, it's pretty strong as well because it is close to negative 1. So there we go. There's a strong negative relationship between number of grunts and age.